Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, Traveler's Plan. Today, I'm going to take you on a virtual tour of one of the most charming coastal towns in India, Varkala. Get ready to be amazed. Varkala, located in the southern state of Kerala, is a hidden gem that boasts breathtaking cliffs, pristine beaches, and a rich cultural heritage. It offers a perfect blend of tranquility, adventure, and spirituality. One of the main attractions of Varkala is its world-class beach. With golden sands and crystal-clear waters, it's no wonder that Varkala Beach has become a favorite spot for surfers from around the globe. The perfect waves here are ideal for beginners and experienced surfers alike. Varkala is not just a paradise for surfers, but also for yoga enthusiasts. The serene atmosphere, clean air, and peaceful surroundings make it a perfect destination for practicing yoga and meditation. Imagine waking up to the sound of gentle waves and the warm breeze caressing your face as you focus on your practice. Did you know that Varkala is home to a stunning natural formation called the Varkala Cliff? It offers a panoramic view of the Arabian Sea, and you can take a leisurely stroll along the cliff, enjoying the cool ocean breeze and capturing some incredible Insta-worthy moments. If relaxation is what you seek, Varkala has you covered. Indulge in traditional Ayurvedic treatments and massages that will leave you feeling rejuvenated and refreshed. Ayurveda, the ancient Indian medical system, is believed to heal the body, mind, and soul. Pamper yourself and experience true bliss. Varkala is also steeped in spiritual heritage. One of the must-visit places here is the Janardanaswamy Temple, dedicated to Lord Vishnu. The temple, with its architectural brilliance and spiritual significance, attracts devotees from all over the world. The annual Ashtami festival, celebrated here with great zeal and fervor, is a sight to behold. When you're in Varkala, make sure to explore the vibrant local markets. From colorful spices to handmade jewelry and traditional clothing, these markets offer a glimpse into the local culture and are a great place to shop for souvenirs that will remind you of your incredible trip. And let's not forget the incredible food. Kerala is known for its delicious cuisine, and Varkala is no exception. Indulge in lip-smacking seafood delicacies, unique vegetarian dishes, and traditional snacks that will tantalize your taste buds. Trust me, you'll be craving more. So, whether you're looking for adventure, relaxation, spirituality, or simply want to immerse yourself in nature's beauty, Varkala has it all. I hope you enjoyed our virtual tour and that it has inspired you to visit this enchanting coastal town. Stay tuned for more exciting adventures coming your way. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.